Hey you guys, I got an Amazon delivery, so let's unbox it, take a look, and see what we have today. So what arrived today is called the Fruit Juice High Speed Juice Cup Power and High Voltage Motor. So I'm excited about this because I have two daughters that make smoothies all the time, and I wouldn't say they're fighting, but they always want the blender. So I thought, and one of my daughters particularly goes to work every day. And she likes to take a smoothie. So I thought this could be really handy for her, and they come in different colors. So kind of fun, and it's a USB, so it should be easy. A little USB right here. So let's take a look and see what it's like and how it works. Open it here. It's got the little thingy. What do you call that? The blades, that's what you call it. And then it flips open here. You can see inside. So yeah, we'll take, and I like the strap. It's got kind of a rubber strap on the end, so with a little heart. It's cute. And then it just unscrews. Just finding my way through this as well because I haven't used it before. So we'll take a look. We'll make a smoothie and see how it goes. But so far, looks great. Okay, so Robin's my model for this morning. She's going to help. Just crawled out of bed, still in her jammies, but he's still look cute. So we're putting in, I did wash it, and we're putting in some fruit medley.
There's so many bananas on top, so it's gonna take me a second. I think that's probably good for what I can fit in there.
Okay, so now we're gonna add a little bit of 1% milk. Obviously we're not measuring anything. About a cup maybe. Oh, no.
No, there's a measuring thing on the side.
Oh, there is? Oh.
I'm doing 300 ml.
I didn't even see that. So there you go. There is a measuring thing here. Okay, we're gonna start. My dogs are barking, of course. Okay, try it. Oh, and it just finishes by itself. Oh, I would maybe give a little bit of shake. I think we might put just a little bit too much in, but it looks pretty good. I think you just give it one quick tap to start. It looks like it runs for about 30 seconds, would you say?
Probably, something like that.
Okay, so let's open it.
Yeah, overflowed.
Yeah, it overflowed. So don't put as much as we did. Maybe put a little less.
There is a max line.
Oh, it looks good though.
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yep.
How do you like it?
Yeah, it's good.
That's gonna be handy for you to take in your car, hey?
Yeah. Yeah,
Thanks for helping me, Robin.
You're welcome.